Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete email on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now here we'll find personal details, click on it. Now click personal details, click contact information. Here you will find your email, click on it. Here and here just click delete email and click delete, and it will be deleted, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.